All right, 2006 Honda Ridgeline with the 3.5 liter. Today we're going to be removing the upper lower intake to get down to a knock sensor where the wiring to the knock sensor was chewed. So follow along, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs down. Alright, so the reason why we're taking off the intake is because there's a knock sensor code, and there's another little 10mm bolt on this side of this bracket that's underneath the wiring harness, and if we pull it up, you'll see it's been chewed in half. So that's why we're taking off the upper and lower intake. So I did have to move the power steering pump out of the way to loosen up that 10mm to move the harness out of the way to get to the last intake bolt. And then these things literally separate in halves. So we'll take this half off first. Okay, so here is the knock sensor wire that we needed to get to. Connector wise, so now we just got to repair this wire. Alright guys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you learned something from it. I don't have time to do these repair videos all the time, but hopefully this helped you out. So we'll see you guys next time. Deuces.